So hi guys, I am Sumit, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install this MegaMart e-commerce child theme. So the first method is like you can contact me and I will do it free for you. So for contacting me, first of all you have to log into your membership account and where you have purchased this theme. Okay, so and then come to this child theme page, like I am on this page. Okay, so after coming this page you have to scroll down and here you will get an option of contact the author. So here you can type your credentials like your site URL, username and password, and you can send me and I will do it free for you. Okay, so there's now the second method is like how you can do it yourself. So let's see. So first of all you have to come to the dashboard of the site where you want to install it, and first make sure you have installed the parent Divi theme. For doing that, come to dashboard, appearance and themes. Okay, so here as you can see I already have installed, but let's activate it. Okay, so our parent Divi theme is now installed and activated. Okay, so the next step is to install and importing the Divi content. For doing that, first of all you have to come to this child theme page again and make sure you have downloaded this product zip file and supplementary file both. After downloading, come to the plugins. So here is the important step, like this is a child theme, but this child theme is packaged as a plugin, so it needs to install in plugin panel, not in the theme panel. When you will install in theme panel, it will redirect to you an error like this child theme is missing style.css file and all, something like this. Okay, so make sure you are installing in the plugins panel. For doing that, come hover over to the plugin and add new. So now click on upload plugin and choose the file. Okay, here you can choose the file and also you can drag and drop like this. Okay, and install now. This will take a few seconds, like half a minute or 10 to 30 seconds, and now there is an option of activate plugin. Activate it, and as soon as you will activate, you will get a new option in the left panel of WordPress, something like MegaMart e-commerce child theme. Okay, so for this, and this is for importing the demo content and installing the child theme. So for doing all that, you have to come to this option, hover over it and click it. Okay, so after clicking it, you will get an interface something like this, where you will get all these features like content, site structure, plugins and all the other settings. Here are all these settings are by default enabled, and if you are installing this child theme for the first time or on a new totally fresh site, okay, so in that case you can leave all these options as it is. And if you are re-importing the content, and like if you have already installed MegaMart, you have already did that and you want to install re-import the content, in that case you can choose these options like which type of content you want to import. Okay, like if you want only importing the content or only theme builder templates, so in that case you can disable or enable as per your requirement all these options. Okay, and but for now I'm installing this installing and importing all the content for a totally fresh site. Okay, so I'm leaving all these options as it is. Okay, so here in the bottom you will get an option of begin site import. So click it and your site import process will start. Like here's running a progress bar, and when it will reach to the 100%, your site importing process will be complete. Okay, so it will this process can take 30 seconds to 1 minute or maybe little bit longer. And in any worst scenario, if your site importer failed to load content to import content, so in that case you will get some options like retry step, and you can click on it and the process will restart. If still process is not restart importing the content, in that case you can run this process from scratch, like after clicking here, and you can do this process again. In that case nothing will be messed up. It will properly re-import your all the content. Okay, so you can do also that. Okay, so I have fast forwarded this video, but here as you can see our site content is imported successfully and our child theme is installed. Okay, so now you have to come to this plugins again, and now you can delete or deactivate this plugin. So first of all do that, and here you will get an option like setting up payment. So in that case you can quit for a while and you can set it up later. So here first of all deactivate this plugin like MegaMart e-commerce child theme. Deactivate it. We have no more need of this plugin, so we are deactivating and delete it. Okay, so now here is again one more plugin, so which is a wishlist plugin. So activate it. Okay, so our plugin is now activated. Okay, so come to dashboard, and now first of all we have to set up our permalink. For doing that, come to the settings, hover over to settings, and here is a permalinks. Click on it. So our default permalink is something like plain, so we are going to set it as post name and save changes. So the next step is setting WooCommerce pages. So for doing that, come to pages, and here you will get some duplicated pages like this, cart. Okay, so these pages are duplicated. Okay, so in that case you have to delete these duplicated pages like cart. So here you have to delete this one. Okay, cart Divi cart page. This it means this page is our original designed page with Divi theme. Okay, so in that case this is an empty page, so you should delete it. Okay, so trash it. And again we can select this page, checkout page. This is again a duplicate page. Here is our original page like checkout Divi checkout page. Okay, and here is again our my account page is also a duplicate page. Here is our original, and here is shop page. This one is original and this one is duplicate. So bulk action, move to trash and apply. Okay, so all the pages are now activated on the only the original pages. Okay, and now come to the WooCommerce. We need to set up these WooCommerce pages again. So for doing that, come to WooCommerce and settings here. Okay, so now come to advanced, and here are the cart pages, checkout, my account. Okay, so in some cases these pages will not be set up, but you need to resave these pages. Okay, I'm doing that just because sometime WooCommerce will redirect you 404 pages just because of not setting these pages. So we are resaving these pages so that we will not face any 404 error and all. Okay, so now come to the dashboard. Okay, so now we need to set up this wishlist plugin, and for doing that you come to the left panel, and here you will get an option of TI wishlist. So as you will hover over it, you will get an option export import settings. Click on it, and here again you will get an option of import settings. Click on choose file, and here you will select the file which you have downloaded from here in the supplementary file. Like, download the supplementary file and extract it, and you will get a JSON file something like this one. And here you can choose the file something like this, and also you can drag and drop here. Okay, so now import. Okay, so our all the settings are imported successfully, and now we need to set up our wishlist page. So here you will get all these pages which you have created in the page section. Okay, so here is the wishlist page, and save it. Okay, so our wishlist plugin is all set. Okay, so now we are on the dashboard, and we need to set one more plugins, which is card pops. Click on it and skip it. Okay, so now you have to come to the settings and make sure this enable card pops, this option is enabled. Okay, and save changes. By default you will get this option enabled, but if not, you can do that. So now you should disable this option. This is just for showing the plugins branding underneath the card. Like, this card is created by card pops, so we don't want to show that, and just disable it and save changes. Okay, and drawer width mobile in percentage, so I want to set it as 90% and save changes. If you want to play with more settings, you can do that also from here. And next you have to come to the color scheme. Okay, so here by default this is the default theme of this plugin, but you need to set this plugin same as our theme. So for doing that, you need to set these or change these colors one by one. So for that you can choose these colors from here. I also have added all these colors here in the documentation. Okay, so here as you can see, I have provided all these colors, like this primary color, all these here colors, and for copy these, you can copy this color code from here, something like this, and you can paste these colors here. Again, you can copy it from here and save changes. Okay, and one by one doing that. So after doing that, you can save changes, and again come to button. So here this one is blue, but we want to change it as our theme. And save changes. That's it. And now let's see how our site is looking. Okay, so our site will look like something like this. Here as you can see, all the images are replaced with placeholder images. So for replacing these images, I have also provided all the images I have used. Here you can download like this. You will get a zip file, you can extract it, and you will get all the template images, okay, except these products. Okay, and you can customize your site as per your requirement. Here as you can see, our cart is working properly, and that's all. Okay, something like this. And all our mega menu is also working fine, and you can choose these pages with whatever you want to use on the site and all. Okay, all our feature blogs are not showing featured images because we have not exported or imported these images. That's why it's not showing, but I have added all the important images in the documentation, so you can download this file and you can use it. If you have any query, you can simply create a sport ticket. Otherwise, you can directly contact me and I will try to help you as soon as possible.